Samsung Galaxy Note 10 has been leaked in renders and we even had a couple of leaked images of the smartphone, but now we got the official renders of the smartphone itself. These are the official renders which Samsung is going to use for the promotion of the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. These renders show us a very beautiful design, probably the best design I have seen so far, which doesn't implement the pop-up or any type of weird mechanisms. The hole in the middle looks super awesome and the wallpaper is just clean. Super elegant, super awesome. We will get a completely blue colored S Pen with this whitish color of the Galaxy Note 10. The blue S Pen with white color makes more sense than a yellow S Pen with a blue phone. From the back, it looks like Samsung had copied the color from Huawei, but that isn't the case. Yes, they do look similar in render, but in the real life they will be much more different. On the Huawei P30 Pro there is a fixed gradient color, but the Samsung's version is a variable gradient. Depending on the angle at which the light hits the smartphone, it will continuously change colors like what we have on the Galaxy S10 5G variant. It's quite like magic. At the back we have 3 cameras on the Note 10, 4 on the Note 10 Plus, nothing new to tell about here. There's one thing I just noticed which is clearly new. I revealed that Samsung killed the Bixby button and now the power button and volume rockers are on the left side, but one thing I did not know is that the glass is curved and this metal rail is not straight. The metal rail is bent near the volume and the power button, similar to what we find on the Galaxy S10 5G variant. And as you can see, they also had to curve the glass. I also found just a teeny tiny difference on the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. It could even be a mistake in making the renders, but the bend is noticeably more sharper on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus compared to the smaller Note 10, as you can clearly see over here. Samsung also published a teaser trailer for the upcoming Galaxy Note 10. The main highlights of this teaser is the single camera hole in the middle of the display, and because it's a Note phone, obviously it has the S Pen. The release date is all set to be 7th of August, so set your calendars guys. Less than a month fam, less than a month. Let me know your thoughts on the Galaxy Note 10 official renders. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks for watching.